YouTube, what's good? We back. Ain't seen y'all folks in a minute, man. What's happening? What's up, babe?
Nah.
Y'all see what she doing.
Eating.
Gotta get it in before we get over here to get it in. You feel me? We in the hood today, y'all. We on Gresham, on Brandon Road, man. We finna go over here.
We on that 34.
We on that 34. Where we at, babe?
Road.
Yeah, we on that 34, man. We about to go over here. And shout out to my whole 34 Gresham family, man. Long live Tito, man. We on the way to do this house, get this house ready, man. We do a lot of servicing in the area, man. So y'all tap in if you in the Decatur area, Atlanta area, metro area. We'll get you right. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We ain't seen y'all in a minute. We been working though, so don't think we been working. If you ain't following our Instagram, go follow that right now. Go follow that right now. Go tap in. You'll see we always working every day. Just cause we ain't been posting no videos, that don't mean we ain't been working. We been getting it in. We just been living life, man, and trying to get life right, personal stuff, man, you know what I mean? But at the same time, get what? We back and we finna drop. We got a roof wash vlog gonna drop. Getting ready to drop this week too. So y'all subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, all that. You know what I'm saying? So y'all won't miss nothing. When we drop, you'll get it. It gonna come right to your phone like a text message. You can't miss it. Can't miss it. Brown Washing LLC, man. We pulling up right now. We just now getting here. I can see babe walking the hoses. I got the water hose already connected already. I'm about to flip the camera around real quick. Alright, that's what we got. Really just a house wash. Clean all that up. All this. We're gonna do all that. All this. All that. We're not doing the driveway, but we do gotta clean the carport, up under the carports. All of that. You know what I'm saying? Concrete. We're about to clean that up. We're about to touch all that up. Right there. Y'all can see all that. I'm gonna go around the back side. Touch all that up. All of this. Touch all this up. Clean up under here. Got some big spiders out here too. Look at that. Ooh, like big. Big wasp nest. We're gonna clean it all up. We don't have to clean this. Right there. Or this. We just got to clean from right there on down. Just up under the car porch. None of this. None of that. But you know what? I'm gonna clean it anyway, cause my solution gonna run down on it. I ain't gonna give it no heavy cleaning, but I'm gonna clean it. Just cause my solution gonna run down from the house onto it, it's still gonna get clean. I'm gonna let my soft wash. It's gonna get soft wash. That's what it's gonna get. I ain't gonna put no turbo nozzle on it. I ain't doing none of that. I'm gonna let my solution clean that up. All right, y'all, we pulled and ready, man. Let's go. Let's go. We gonna clean it up, though. We ain't just gonna leave it looking like this. Now, we still gonna blow everything down. Touch it up. No driveway. No driveway. We not doing the driveway. We will if they pay us to do it, but we ain't here for that. You ready?
Ready, baby.
Let's go. Just getting a little rinse down on everything. We just cranked the machine up. Advertising is on point. No matter which direction you come, you gonna see that. You gonna see that. You can't run from that. Yeah. We out here in the hood with it. Just getting everything rinsed down real good. And we about to start on the front walkway and porch first. Clean all this up from right here on up first. You know, probably go on and do the car porch. I like to do my concrete first. So whatever get on the house, I can, you know what I'm saying, during the concrete cleaning, I can spray it out when I wash the house. So any concrete that I gotta do around the house, I go on and do it first. And then wash the house. But right now we just rinsing down, getting a little dirt off, spider webs, whatever. Just doing a good rinse on it. I like to rinse the bricks down too real good. Soak the bricks down. So that when the SH hit it, it don't soak it up and dry inside the bricks. Bricks done already been watered, you know. When the SH hit it, it's gonna clean it. The bricks ain't gonna but it ain't dry. If you put SH on those dry bricks without rinsing it first, it's gonna absorb it because that's the first thing that's hitting it. The first thing that it hit is gonna absorb it. It's gonna suck it in and it's gonna dry up inside of the bricks. And it's gonna make those bricks white. You don't want that. I'm telling you. So I like to rinse all my stuff down first on really anything before I apply my chemicals. I rinse everything first. Let's get it. Stay away from me. I'ma stay away from you. You ain't gotta fuck with me. And I ain't gotta fuck with you. Hell no. If it's fuck me, then this motherfuck you too, nigga. You behave. Anyway, you behave every day. Niggas and bitches ain't shit. Smile in your face, put a knife in your back. If it's involving the sack and they broke, ain't no telling. Pussy nigga probably been jealous. Pussy nigga probably been stealing. Whole bitch probably been talking. Man, that bitch probably been playing. All that horse playing, I ain't with it. Yo, Migo, yeah, I'm a real boss. Migo don't play with these fuck niggas. I don't be studying these hoes. I be grinding, trying to get to the money. If finessing, I might show you a dummy. Real hustle, I'm addicted to money. Gotta get it, being broke ain't funny. Skate, I'm out the way. Get to that paper. A lot of you niggas ain't gotta fuck with me. I'm having flavors. A lot of you niggas is snakes and clowns. I'm just put you down. Fake ass niggas be trying to talk to me and dap me up when I come around. No, fuck you. Truck work. My solution to that, all of that, I'm gonna let my solution do the work. You know what I'm saying? I'm just touching up on certain things, doing the prep work. You know, I'm about to clean this. My solution, I'm cleaning the stairs up real good. Once I apply it to the house, I'm gonna apply it to all that. I'm gonna clean all of this up. We going up. It's time. We going up. It's time. We been working hard and staying down. We grind. Run that paper up and stack up every dime. Invest in myself. Oh yeah. I'm trying. Too consistent. I ain't lying. We going up. It's time. We been working hard and staying down. We grind. Run that paper up and stack up every dime. Invest in myself, oh yeah. I'm trying, too consistent, I ain't lying. We going up, it's time. Got up on my ass and got a bag. I grind, run it up, my family having no capping, dripping in fashion. Look at us, yeah, we deserve it, came from nothing. We been working, we was patient, been through plenty situations. All that time I was facing, I ain't never told. Migo ain't never fold. Too solid, I'm a real one, I put that on my soul. It's time to get it up. Oh yeah, we going up, we going up, it's time. We been working hard and staying down. We grind, run that paper up and stack up every dime. Invest in myself, oh yeah. I'm trying, too consistent, I ain't lying. We going up, it's time. We been working hard and staying down. We grind, run that paper up and stack up every dime. Invest in myself, oh yeah. I'm trying, too consistent, I ain't lying. I'm too consistent, I ain't lying. I drop bangers every time. I've been working, going hard, and I'm underrated. I know niggas be hating. Look at them bitches' faces. They don't wanna see me win. They don't know what I've been through and the people I'm kin to. All the losses we took. We got all that cleaned up. We about to apply the chemical. Got that cleaned up under the car porch, the concrete, all this. We got all the bottom of the foundation cleaned up. We about to apply the chemical to the stairs. You can see all that's cleaned up. We about to apply the chemical to everything. You know what I'm saying? The bricks is drenched. We done rinsed them real good. As we go and clean. So we about to get ready to apply the chemical right now to everything. Look it up. To all the losses we took, R.I.P. Scrapper, Randisha, Monica, Rico, and Duke. Oh yeah, we do it for you. I'ma keep going, staying focused on my shit, stacking my tokens, keep working till I get noticed. Keep investing in myself, I'm doing me and nothing else. East side Decatur, nigga, yeah, that's what I rep. We been down too long and I can't lose nobody else. Hey, that's why I go hard. I'm trying to go on with my squad. We going up. It's time. We been working hard. Right now, all we doing is rinsing everything. Over here, we ain't got to clean this, but I touched everything else up, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I just couldn't leave my work like that. I have to represent, you know? So I did go ahead and touch all that up. I know at first I said I wasn't gonna do it, but because they ain't pay me. But I went on and touched everything up. We about to come on from around there where she at, on around back to the front, the other side, with a good rinse on all of this. We did not do the driveway once again. But But everything else is clean. No more wasp nests, no more big spiders, no more nothing, you know? It's clean. Did touch that little area up, that little walkway, all of the stairs and all of that. We gotta come back around right now with a good rinse. Oh yeah. Still got a little dirt down there we gotta rinse, but you know, we coming on around right now with it. Stay tuned. These people did end up wanting this little slab right here. They end up wanting it done. So when we got done with the house, they told us, once they see how clean that is in the front, so now we about to tighten this up right here. It really wasn't nowhere for me to blow all these leaves at. So I really just had to blow it over here and just kind of, you know, blow it out in the yard. I mean, the water gonna roll right through the cracks of the bottom, but let's get it cleaned up. We grind, run that paper up and stack up and redign. Invest in myself, oh yeah. I'm trying, too consistent, I ain't lying, we going up. It's time, we been working hard and staying down. We grind, run that paper up and stack up and redign. Invest in myself, oh yeah. I'm trying, too consistent, I ain't lying, hey. Alright, y'all. This what we got. Concrete still wet, but it look good. Tighten that little walkway right there on up. Stairs looking good. Tighten all that up. And all that cleaned up there. All this. Clean that up. Got all this cleaned up. No more wasp nests. No more spider webs. No more spiders. No more nothing. I could have flushed the screen out, but they ain't take them out. I always tell my customers, if you want to really a window cleaning, free window cleaning, take the screens out. When I wash the window, my solution to clean it. And it'll flush out all the dirt, debris, and whatever on the inside of it, it'll flush it out and clean it out. Get all that dirt. If not, it's gonna be trapped in there. Cleaned all that up. We did clean all that up. Yes, sir. And they did end up wanting this clean, so we end up cleaning this up over here too. Clean back here. Yes, sir. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. We out of here. We out of here.